Hello there, this is Mr. Green and Harper Pax coming at you from the attic studio because it is rainy and a bit nippy outside, would you say? Yeah. Well, we thought we'd break it up today and draw some vintage robots. We have drawn some robots in some of my classes before, but today we thought we would just do it as a fun and imaginative drawing practice. And we're gonna draw two varieties of robots. Harper is going to handle these simpler, more two-dimensional and flat robots. I'm going to do a slightly more 3D looking robot. So if you want a challenge, you can try and do the one that I do. If you want to keep it basic and do something a little bit easier, Harper's gonna do a flattish two-dimensional robot. Come on, robot with me. All right, so we're gonna start with some very light pencil lines like we like to do. Go over those later with some pen and Sharpie, depending on what kind of detail we want to get. Try and follow along. You can stop the video and pause it if we're going too fast. Alright, so Harper and I just finished all the pencil work for our robots, and now we're going to take some pens and Sharpies and we're gonna try and go over our pencil lines to finalize our robots. Take your time because you can't erase ink. Just like that, we made a couple of robots. What's your robot name? Barney. Mine is Flopsy. Flopsy the robot. Well, I hope fun was had by all. You think it was? Hope everybody has fun. All right, see you next time.